Welcome to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we have an ink tag or a security tag that got left over on this fabric, and I have to remove it. So let's see how we can do that. First thing I'm going to do is just cut off that end piece just to peek inside the plastic, just to see how it is, and then I'm going to cover it up with some plastic so that I have a good protection from the ink splatter if it ever happens. Let's just hope that it doesn't happen. So I'm using a coping saw here. You could use a regular hacksaw. So I'm just cutting a window in that plastic just to see what the assembly looks like inside. Now I'm confident I can cut further, so I'm just gonna go and give it a little more trim from the top. And the key is not to mess with that metal piece that you see inside, but just cut the plastic off. You could use a regular hacksaw or any power tools. Just don't go overboard with this. Now I'm just prying it off with a screwdriver, gently just prying those areas where the plastic is in contact with the metal. So that little tab there that is in front of the metal, let's just pry that off. And another little piece. Multiple little tabs inside. We are making progress here. There you go. Just starting to open a bigger window so we can see the mechanism of what it's actually looking like on the retention. Okay, the final piece on the bottom. Now I can kind of see the pin poking through that final piece. So if I take that plastic retainer off, I should be able to get a better idea of how I can remove that metal piece. There it comes. Okay, finally I see the metal pin poking through, so all I have to do is stick my flathead screwdriver in there, open up that little notch, and pull the pin backward securely, and there it comes. Looks like the ink is on this right side, and this metal retention system is supposed to trigger that. So as long as we don't rock this metal system clockwise or counterclockwise, we should be good to go. Here's that little notch that where the pin was sitting on, and as long as we pry that notch, the pin can be released safely. So here it is. On to the right side is where the ink is, and we successfully got it out. Now let's break it and see if we can find that ink that is inside. I'm just putting some excess force on the vise. Ooh, there it is. The ink splattered. It's yellow ink. Obviously, as you can see, the ink was loaded on this side, which means it was loaded on this side. So be careful when you're cutting things off. Operate within this particular area and not mess with this area, and I think you should be able to successfully take it out. And just as a precaution, make sure you have the clothing wrapped in a plastic cover, so even if it splatters, it's not too bad, you know. By the way, this is not like a glitter bomb. The worst thing that can happen is a little bit of ink like that. It just ruins the fabric, so cover the fabric. So this is to illustrate that you don't need a big magnet to take this off. You can do it with regular tools. And hope you like the video. Come back for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video.